Hi, this is Sylvain from Create Your Biz Today, and in this video we'll see how with Systeme IO to create newsletter, and we'll see also what is the difference between newsletter and email campaign. And without further ado, let's go on my screen. So if you don't have an account with Systeme IO yet, you can check my link below and you will get two things: 30 days trial to test Systeme IO properly instead of 14, and you will also get 8 free video training from the founder of Systeme IO, Aurelia Macker. So check the link if you want, and we just continue with the dashboard. So once you are logged in Systeme IO, you just need to go in emails and then newsletter. And when you are there, you create a newsletter. But first, what's the difference between a newsletter and a campaign in Systeme IO? Because you also have in Systeme IO newsletter or campaign. So campaigns in Systeme IO are email sequences. You will send a lot of different emails to different persons. And the newsletter is a one-shot email you will target to specific part of your audience, of your mailing list. For example, you have a new training that will be released in few days, or you have a special event, or you have special news. You can use newsletter. It's a one-shot email. So if we create the newsletter there, as we've seen in the previous video with the creation of email sequence, it's exactly the same. You have the email editor, you can replace field with first name, email, and stuff like that. You can add attachments. You have the sender name and the sender email address, plus the test email address that are defined in your mail settings parameters there. So you can define that first, so you don't have to change it for every email you create. So the interesting part in the newsletter, and the most important one, is the filtering. So that means you have the include and the exclude. So in Systeme IO, as you might know, it's only one email list, and you segment your list using tags. So here, this email you will send to the people you want. You need to define which person. So you need to select the tags to who you want to send. So that means, for example, I want to send to all English people of my list, okay, because I'm doing English and French. So I select this tag. So all persons tagged with this English tag will receive this email. But I don't want, for example, some person to receive this email. So I will tag this one. So I will include the English people, but I don't want the person with the testing tag, for example, to receive this email. So I will exclude the testing person. Okay? So it's really simple. You include some person, you exclude others, and it's all based on tag. And the good thing to note also is if you have one contact using multiple tags in the include folder there, they don't receive one mail per tag. It's one mail only. So you can also set up to who you want to send this email. So especially the person that have been registered to your email list for few days or for 0 days and stuff like that. So for example, you want to send an email to person registered like 2 months, you put 60 days there. It will only apply to the person that were registered in your email list 60 days ago, okay? So this is a good way, for example, if you have people not opening your emails, or you want to ask them again if they are still interested and stuff like that. So this is that simple. Once you've done that, you are ready and you can save and send a test email. So if we click that, save and test. Now it is saved, and then you can schedule it. If you save and schedule newsletter, you can send the newsletter at a specific time, okay? And here you can put also the test email address you want to send it. So if you want to send it now, you send now, okay? So either you plan it, or either you send it now. So I will plan it in 2 hours, for example, or tomorrow. Tomorrow, apply, and then send. And then I just see that the newsletter will be sent at this time. I confirm. You see here that in fact you have the date that your communication is planned. So you just need to wait. So it's pretty simple. You see, you define your email address, you define who you include with tags, who you exclude with tags, and then you are good to go. Either you send it now or you schedule the newsletter. So hope this video was helpful to you. And if you liked it, drop a like, a comment, Also subscribe to the channel, and I see you in the next video. Ciao!